Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to easily transfer any photo or video from Insta360 to your any iPhone or Android. So I'm provide full guide. So at first, power on your camera. Okay. Now turn on your camera and take your phone. If you take iPhone, open your App Store, or if you want to take Android, open your Play Store. Go to search option, search it to at first need to install these apps. I'm already installed these apps. So go back, go to my control center. Okay. Make sure to turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Okay, and open these apps. Okay, need to connect it. Press on this icon, then showing it to my camera name, and press on to join. Okay, now successfully join this. Press on to album. So look at showing it to my photo or video. So if you want to save, press on to select and press on this arrow icon. Press on export to phone, and now successfully save this. So that's it.